like a Hellcat.
Hello friends, today I am here to talk about time management. Time management, when we talk, we mostly get the simple tips, that is to make a to-do list, to prioritize your task and then use your time wisely. Today what I am going to discuss is something totally different about it. Time management actually is not only using your time properly, it is having something behind that which will help you to utilize your time the best. It is 3R. R, that is R for reuse, R for refuse, and R for reduce. 3 R's will help you to understand actually how to use the time, where to use the time, and when to use the time. Number 1 is refuse. Now you will think, by refusing, how can you relate it with time management? The common thing is that when we get different tasks, we always want to do everything. Whether the work is important or not, whether it is related to what I actually want to do or not. But yes, if people want me to do, okay, I'll do it is the common statement we do. We keep taking the task and which piles up, and then at the end of the day, we will obviously find shortage of time to complete everything. So first thing is, when you are collecting a task, first you see that whether the work for which you are ready to do is going with your ultimate goal or not. Don't take up everything on your head. Sometimes refuse. Choose the task wisely to do. If you find this task is not important, or you find a task which is not about what you exactly want to do, leave it aside. Don't say yes. Sometimes say no, I can't do it, or it is not for me. It will help you to understand your goal and put your attention towards the task which are going to help you to achieve your goal. Second thing is reduce. Now reduce means how to reduce and what to reduce. Reduce the time which you are investing on a task. Now how will you reduce is, the simple thing is, start distributing it, delegating the task. The thing is, we want to do everything ourselves, we want to do everything to the perfect level. Now in that mindset, we are ready to do everything by ourselves, and when you do everything by yourself, it is obvious that you will not be able to complete the work in time. So try to delegate the task which exactly is not necessary for you to do. You can get it done by your team, or that is, you can get it done by someone else. So you should understand what is the task which you can delegate, and you can rely on people to perform that task, and the main thing you can do by yourself. So reduce the time spent to complete a task by delegating it. This way you will get some extra time with your hand. When you get some extra time in your hand comes the last and the important point, that is reuse the time. Now reuse the time is, use the time which you have saved it by delegating the task. Now in that case, it doesn't mean that you again fill yourself with some extra task. Keep that extra time maybe for you to relax, but not waste that time in relaxing so much that otherwise you find shortage. So reuse the time which you have saved by delegating the task in doing something good, which will again help you to become more productive. Like, I'll give you an example. Suppose you got about 1000 rupees extra. Now that extra 1000 rupees, where are you going to invest? Because you got extra that amount, either you are going to invest it somewhere where you are going to have a lavish lunch, you are going to enjoy a party or a movie, full day enjoyment, coming back tired and finish those 1000 extra earned money, or you want to invest those 1000 to purchase something which will help you to be more productive in your next task. Like maybe you will use that to purchase a book. At household, you may use it to purchase any tool which will help you to complete your task in better way, utilizing less time. So that is something which is said reuse. So if you keep these 3 points, these 3 tips with you, you are going to utilize your time in the best way. Number 1 is learn to refuse. Learn to say no for the things which you find are not important but they are being imposed on you. Say no, I am not able to do it. Please, someone else can do that. Second thing is reduce. Reduce the time spent by delegating the task, distributing the task among your team or family members. And the last and the very important is reuse. Reuse the extra time you are getting to the best to increase your productivity. When you do these 3 things, then only you are making a to-do list or setting a priority will help you to utilize your time better. I'm sure these 3 tips will help you manage your time in the best way. I would request all the members who are watching this video to kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Help me, motivate me to bring you more topics with always something new. Thank you. Have a nice day.